It's broken the $50 mark. When are we getting in? Where's the new buy trigger after $50? I don't think I said there was going to be a buy signal after $50. I just said if it breaks and holds above 50, it could shoot a whole lot higher. Again, we've got the same scenario. Everyone's piling in, big volume, prices going up, and the question is, where's the top? But I am not looking to buy silver here. I think people who are saying to buy silver here, I think are extreme, gold bugs, silver bugs, and, wanting it to go a whole lot higher. But from a technical standpoint and just pure risk management, if you remove the fiat kind of climate scenario we're in, you remove all that stuff, you look at price action. Price action to me says you're chasing price right here. We're already long. Well, if you're long precious metals, which you should have been from a long time ago, you should be enjoying this, not looking to buy up here. That's the way I see it. Again, we did close out our gold trade right over here on this peak, right at this peak over here. That was a pure short-term trade. Get in and get done. That's it. Hit our targets over and out. And long-term investments, you still want to be long precious metal phase. As we know, it can continue to muscle its way higher for potentially several weeks or even potentially a couple of months, depending on how things unfold. Now, some of you wanted me to overlay the dollar with gold and with the stock market. So let's take a look at the dollar here. The yellow line is the dollar. The chart itself is gold. Let's just go back here and just take a look at what can happen in different times. So you will notice the dollar can move up. Gold can move up together. They can both actually fizzle sideways. We can see the dollar go down and gold go up. We can also see more or less gold and the dollar rally together. And if we just fast forward to where we are right now, we just zoom in a bit more here, you can see here we have more or less the dollar rallying and we have gold rallying together. So you never know when they're going to decouple. So many people just think they go opposite directions always, and that is definitely not the case. You cannot, just like financial advisors say bonds are a safe play, just hold bonds if the stock market falls. I mean, you can't, just because something's done it in the past, you can't rely on that. The markets change, they live and breathe. That's why we look at every asset class, stocks, bonds, currency, as its own trade. Who cares what the relationship is? We just want to know what it is doing and does it meet our trading criteria to own the dollar or to not own it or vice versa, all of that stuff. So let's take a look at that with the SPY, because